What does Tiandihui do? What is your business proposition? And what are you hoping to achieve?
We mainly use Internet Plus to build a platform or system to help these small or medium-sized logistics providers to provide the service to the end customers. So we're trying to find a right way to help these small players become bigger and bigger, and then get the volume bigger and bigger. Then you have the chance to improve efficiency and then to make a profit.
And the potential value that can be extracted from this sector longer term.
So if you can create the 20% above margin space, but today it's only 5% average margin, so that will be a huge opportunity.
I know your business has been growing very quickly, particularly in terms of revenues and expansion around China. What are your revenue targets for the end of 2018?
This year we're trying to achieve 10 billion revenue, and for GMV we try to beyond 200 billion RMB.
And in terms of the numbers of cities that you plan to operate in by the end of the year, what is your target?
My this year target is not too many, it's 30 roughly. But finally we try and cover out my network by the end of next year is to 80 to 100 key cities.
You recently raised $500 million RMB.
Yes.
Where are you now in terms of funding? Are you looking to raise additional capital this year?
Yeah, we have the plan. And we are looking for some international investors.
How much are you hoping to raise?
Yeah, it depends what's kind of value they try to offer. The key is not how much money they will invest. The key is how much share I will to give. So I think it's within 10%.
And where are you targeting that capital? The money that you've raised, what are you spending it on?
Yeah, the main is digital DT side. Yeah, with digital for business, for system, for cloud, and the rest certainly for the expansion of business physically.
And could that potentially include acquisitions of some of these smaller players in the space at some point?
Yes, we have the plan to do some partnership in acquisition and from my own. Yeah.
Your business is relatively sheltered from the trade tensions between Beijing and Washington. But more broadly, what is your sense of the impact of these trade frictions between the US and China, how it's playing out on the ground here?
For Tiandihui, our business is focused on domestic market. So currently, it's no very direct impact except oil. The price of oil increased in 10% in the past 3 months. So that will be a burden for the company. But as a platform, that means the players in this market is getting worse, getting more painful. So for this point, my platform will helping them more. So the value of the platform will getting better.